Are you torn between the DJI RS4 and RS3 gimbals? Let's dive into the nitty-gritty and find out which one truly deserves a spot in your gear bag. Whether you're shooting cinematic scenes or capturing life's spontaneous moments, picking the right stabilizer is key. So, which gimbal should you really buy? Stay tuned as we compare the features to help you make the best choice for your filming adventures. When it comes to design and build quality, both the DJI RS4 and RS3 gimbals are impressive. The RS4 has a slightly larger footprint, measuring compared to the more compact RS3. Despite its larger size, the RS4 actually weighs less, tipping the scales at 1.2 kilograms versus the RS3's 1.3 kilograms. This slight weight advantage can make a noticeable difference when operating the gimbal for extended periods, especially when paired with heavier camera setups. One of the key design improvements in the RS4 is the use of a Teflon-coated finish on the axis arms. This Teflon coating helps to reduce friction, resulting in smoother and more precise balancing when adjusting the camera position. The RS3, on the other hand, relies on a more traditional anodized aluminum construction, which is still incredibly robust, but lacks the added refinement of the Teflon coating. In terms of aesthetics, the RS4 has a sleeker, more modern appearance, with clean lines and a minimalist design. The RS3, while not lacking in visual appeal, has a slightly more utilitarian look that may appeal to those who prioritize function over form. When it comes to payload capacity, the DJI RS4 and RS3 are evenly matched, offering users a generous 3 kilograms maximum payload. This robust weight capacity means that both gimbals can comfortably support a wide range of mainstream mirrorless camera and lens combinations, including popular models like the Sony a7S III or Canon R5 paired with a 24-70mm f2.8 lens. One slight difference between the two gimbals is the extended tilt axis on the RS4, which has been increased by 8.5 mm compared to the RS3. This additional balancing space can be helpful when mounting larger or heavier camera setups, as it allows for more precise adjustments and a wider range of motion. Now let's talk about the stabilization technology. The stabilization performance is where the DJI RS4 truly shines, thanks to its incorporation of the company's latest 4th-generation stabilization algorithm. This advanced technology represents a significant leap forward from the 3rd-generation algorithm used in the RS3, providing users with a noticeably smoother and more responsive shooting experience. One of the standout improvements in the RS4's stabilization is its exceptional handling of vertical shooting scenarios. The gimbal's stabilization algorithms have been meticulously tuned to effortlessly steady dynamic shots, such as running sequences or low-angle perspectives, when the camera is mounted in a portrait orientation. This enhanced vertical stabilization performance can be a game-changer for creators who need to capture high-quality social media content or incorporate unique framing into their projects. One of the most significant advantages the DJI RS4 holds over the RS3 is its native support for vertical shooting. With the RS4, transitioning between landscape and portrait orientation is a breeze. Simply release the horizontal plate and secure it into the vertical position, and you're ready to start capturing stunning vertical footage. This seamless vertical shooting capability is a boon for creators who need to produce content optimized for social media platforms, where vertical video has become increasingly prevalent. In contrast, the RS3 does not offer native vertical shooting support. To achieve this functionality, users would need to invest in additional accessories, which can add complexity and time to your shooting process. When it comes to accessory compatibility, the DJI RS4 stands out with the inclusion of a crucial feature, the RSA communication port. This port allows for the connection of a diverse range of accessories, including the DJI RS tethered control handle and various third-party control handles or remote control ring handles. The ability to expand the RS4's capabilities through a wide array of compatible accessories is a significant advantage over the RS3, which has a more limited accessory ecosystem. With the RS4, you can tailor your setup to suit your specific creative needs, whether that means adding a dedicated control handle, integrating a remote control ring, or exploring other specialized accessories. In contrast, the RS3 relies on a more closed-off approach, with fewer options for accessory integration. While it still offers a solid selection of official DJI accessories, the RS4's RSA port and SDK-driven compatibility give creators a greater degree of flexibility and creative control. Both gimbals offer impressive battery life, but the RS4 has a slight edge. With the optional DJI RSBG 70 high-capacity battery grip, the RS4 can achieve a maximum runtime of up to 29.5 hours, while the RS3 battery grip provides up to 12 hours of usage. In terms of charging, the RS4's BG70 grip supports rapid 45-watt PD fast charging, allowing for a full charge in just 2.5 hours. The RS3's battery grip also supports 18-watt PD fast charging, though with a slightly longer full charge time of 2.5 hours. So, when it comes to choosing between the DJI RS4 and RS3, the decision ultimately comes down to your specific needs and preferences as a creator. If you're a solo cinematographer or independent filmmaker looking for the most advanced stabilization and efficient shooting experience, the DJI RS4 is the clear choice. Its fourth-generation stabilization algorithm, native vertical shooting capabilities, and expanded accessory ecosystem make it a powerful tool for capturing stunning, smooth footage. On the other hand, if you're on a tighter budget or your needs are more basic, the DJI RS3 is still an excellent option. It provides impressive stabilization performance, reliable wireless camera control, and a user-friendly interface, all in a compact and lightweight package. Ultimately, both the RS4 and RS3 are exceptional gimbals that can elevate your filmmaking game. The choice comes down to your specific needs and the level of advanced features you're looking for. Whichever you choose, you're sure to capture stunning footage with precision and grace. So, that's all about the DJI RS4 versus RS3. Do let us know what you think about this, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.